Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will tell you how to fix Roblox error code 529 in my Windows PC. So the first step is to log out and re-log in your Roblox game, Roblox account. So here is my Roblox account. So I will click on settings. Now I will click log out. So now I will re-log in on my Roblox account. So this is the first step to fix this error. Now I will show you the second step. The second step is we have to go to our Google settings. In here, we have to go to privacy and security. Now in here we have to go to cookies and other site data. In here we have to scroll down in here, and we have to click the see all site data and permissions. In here we have to search for Roblox. So we have to clear this site data. We have to clear site data and permission for Roblox. So if we click clear. So after this we will go to our third step, which is we have to click on app, add or remove programs. So now in here we have to search this in this list Roblox. Now we have to uninstall this. Uninstall. Roblox is uninstalling. Roblox has been uninstalled. So the third step we have to go to our control panel. And here we have to go to our network and sharing center. And here we have to click on change adapter settings. And you have to click on Wi-Fi and properties. You have to click on Internet Protocol version 4. You have to click on use the following DNS server. And here you have to click 8888, and in here you have to click 8448. You have to click validate settings upon exit, and you have to click OK. OK. You can close the program and you have to close this. So these were the 3 steps to fix the error. So now after restart your PC and reinstall the Roblox player and re-log in your Roblox account. So after these steps, the error 529 will be solved. So thanks for watching. We will see you next video. My laugh is bye. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. So bye. Thanks for watching.